Good morning, everyone. My name is Dennis Tiawati, and today I'll talk about the impact of artificial intelligence on the economy. Imagine browsing on Tokopedia before you even type. The platform suggests products you might want. That's AI at work, predicting our need in real time. Today, I'll show you how AI is reshaping our economy, offering both great opportunities and significant challenges. First, AI boosts efficiency and productivity. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance driven by AI cut machine downtime by 30% and increase output efficiency by 25% in supply chains. AI models forecast demand so companies can optimize inventory, reducing storage costs and overproduction. On a broader scale, McKinsey project that will contribute 50.7 trillion to global GDP by 2030, equivalent to the entire economy of a large development nation. Clearly, AI isn't just a tool, it's growth engine for the future. However, automation also brings job displacement. Research show up to 77% of jobs in developing countries are at risk of being automated, especially routine roles like call center agent, data entry, even librarians. Without proper preparation, this could trigger wave of unemployment and social dislocation. The good news, we can adapt. Reskilling and upskilling are essential. We need strong digital literacy alongside creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence, skills that machines struggle to replicate. On the policy side, robust AI regulation and explainable AI or XAI frameworks ensure algorithms remain transparent, accountable, and fair. If governed properly, AI becomes a partner, not a threat. For the conclusion is summary, AI drive efficiency and economic growth pose real risk of job automation, but also opens door to new opportunities if we upskill our workforce and implement thoughtful policies. Let's harness AI's potential while cultivating our uniquely human strengths, creativity, empathy, and adaptability. The way that we won't just survive at the AI will threat in. Thank you, and I'm happy to hear you talk.